Welcome to this video on the introduction to a database. After completing this video, you'll be able to explain what a database is and explain the applications of a database as a trader.
In simple terms, you can think of a database as a place to store information, or data, in one place. But an important distinction is that instead of randomly storing anything, the data is stored in an organized format, so that you can easily access and retrieve this data in a short time, irrespective of the size of data. As a trader, you can store the price data of the stocks which you're following, trades, and your P&L together in a database, and the database will help you to easily retrieve all the data you need. Can you think of the applications of a database for you as a trader? Let's list them now. You can use a database to store real-time data for easy access. You can track the buy and sell orders which you have executed over time. You can retrieve part or entire historical data of an asset for backtesting purposes. Further, you can set a data type for a column, and the database will make sure only information of that data type is stored. For example, you can simply say that you want to store the closed prices in a number format, and the database will only allow closed prices in number format. This means the database has automatic error checking. You can also share and control access to the database so that only authorized individuals can access the database. In this way, you can use a database as a trader.